God, it's hot as hell. It's not doing it no more.
What does that say? I won't even focus.
Pittsburgh.
Pittsburgh. I'm gonna Harbor Freight. That's the move today. I'm gonna buy a welder. A better welder. I'm gonna get a better welder. And yeah, we're gonna finish that clutch plate like you've seen in the last video. Still fasting. Day 8, I think. Day something going on. LS400 is almost done.
Hell no.
Yeah, on the way.
Oh my God, you almost smacked that truck. You almost smacked the shit out of that truck. You missed it.
Really?
Oh, you almost hit the truck. You were swerving in and out the lanes.
Burger King?
It's like the butthole hell.
You guys been to Harbor Freight like 1,000 times. You probably know the store more than we do. So I don't know if I'm gonna take you guys inside. But yeah, see you in like 2 seconds. So we're back at the crib. We bought a 125 amp one flux instead of the traditional 90 amp. It's not even traditional anymore, but you know, the one we were using the other day. So this should penetrate the metal a lot easier and faster, making a cleaner weld. Boom. Can I get a on? So while taking out the carpet in the back seat of the Lexus, we found some water. It was like a lake, Percy Priest Lake in here. And we're just cleaning it up with the shop vac. And we're trying to figure out where the leak came from. Look at that.
Pick that up and throw it away.
Great water, as you can see. So it's day 3. We finally got the carpet out. We got some nasty ass mold on mostly every single carpet. Some guy spilled his McDonald's coffee on the side. Yeah, it's done. Got it out. And we're gonna clean it up before it rains. Boom.
Boom, step back. It's kind of faded, but chemical guys. Carpet upholstery shampoo and odor eliminator, fastest and strongest spot stain remover. So hopefully this gets all that nasty shit out of there.
So this after one vacuum, the difference is kind of noticeable.
Vacuum up the water.
Oh yeah, the shop vac. It sucks up the water. Yeah, this is the before. Look how nasty that is. All the grime and mold foaming up.
You got a brush?
We got a metal brush.
No, hell no. I'm gonna tear the carpet.
Look at all this mold and nasty ass.
Shout out to my boy Andy.
Andy came in clutch with the...
Hooking me up with this chemical guy stuff. He's a real MVP.
Got 2. You're gonna need 2 brushes. No muscles. You don't need no damn six-pack to be cleaning. Some water. And I think that's about it, you know? Is that better? Yeah. So we'll just, oh my God, you freaking plane! Why?
This thing's already coming. I think it was like a soda.
So with just with water, that coffee stain is coming out. Probably soda, we don't know. Fat Mo's combo drink, you already know. And here we go with the solution in the brush. And boom, we'll see what happens.
I'm not gonna use a lot of this stuff. It's probably too good.
That's layer 1 of soapy stuff. Chemical guys, all that good stuff, I don't know. So this is the end result after second times of hitting it with the brush, my toes. This is what it has become. There was a lot of stubborn stains like over here and over here, but they're less major. Yeah, that's about it. My battery's gonna die, so we might have to end this video a little early. So yeah, what do we have to do when we end the video?
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, keep up with the build because it's coming together faster than we think. Yeah, ain't got a lot left.
It's done. Boom, bada bang, bada boom. We're gonna suck up the water and then we're gonna throw it up in the little sunroom down over there. Yeah, bada bang, bada boom. Yes. And that's all the remains of the Lexus.